Hi there.
Oh shit, we're turning right here.
Are we?
Sorry mate, I just think come in and click that there. You alright?
Huh?
Okay, well sure. Sometimes when you get right behind me I can't see what you're. I can't see you in that mirror or that mirror, can you?
Ah. I always try and be on one side of you.
Aye. Well that's what I'm saying, you normally are, that's how I see it. I know it's easy to find you.
No, Minecraft. When was the last time you seen one of them?
These are like council houses. These would have been council houses in the day. They'd all be born out, like.
Aye.
They would have all been council houses in the day, like.
Aye, one of my friends in Motherwell used to live in a house like that. Really big inside.
Ah.
Solid built, great house. Quite a well kept wee tune, eh?
Aye, but it's my legal. Oh, fucking
Strathmidler.
This is us we're basically cutting through the centre of Fife. This is the road. I think when I say to you, we'll go inland right across. That's why I picked Leven. That's Faulland States.
I've been to Falkland.
Many years ago, I was off to go shooting at that state.
Uh-huh.
I never went back because it was the time when I was in him.
Yeah. You would have had a blast.
Aye. Well, this is a story in the actual Faulland itself.
Falkland. I reversed a truck into a house up here. It was bad snow one year, and I was trying to do a 3-point turn, and it just slid into the house. It just touched the building, like,
Yeah, listen there, you got a 20 ton or 30 ton truck, you just touch a building, it's enough to wreck it.
Aye, it didn't though, It was a stain house that it hit.
Alright.
Just put a wee chip in the stonework. Aye. It literally just kissed it in name air, because it was sliding back, there was nothing I could do,
It starts to go, there's fuck all you can do.
Correct. That's absolutely beautiful here,
Stunning wee place, isn't it?
Hi there.
Hello there, sexy.
That's me.
This is a lovely wee place.
It is, There's a palace here,
Aye, yeah, I've heard of that.
Open my window. That's better. Get some air in.
Yeah, that's what I've got my home there as well.
And that was Falkland, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Well, it's actually a wee bit, it's actually got a high street and all that, TikTok.
Just before we get to Cooper, we're taking the right. Well, no, in fact, they're right just up here. Slow down. Sorry.
Need to fart. I've just shat.
I think you should be able to see farms. I think they should be like red or blue, so you can see when somebody farted.
You can if you've got one of the heat fucking cameras.
Oh, infrared.
You just see the cloud,
I think we're going up for that yellow lorry's coming down.
Yeah.
Or road less travelled.
Roads less travelled.
More prepared for it this time. What's another wee, watch out for the gravel. Fucking hell, look at this road. Oh, it's just at that wee bit there. That's mistake. Hello, pigeon.
Well, we're certainly going up and doing roads that would not normally use.
Yeah, that was my plan. So, see, it's not always about going 100 mile an hour. It's it's just taking your time.
And then take your time doing 99.
Yeah. I mean, just enjoy the view, enjoy the place.
Exactly.
This place is wonderful. say. Like I say, your bikes are built for this sort of road, like.
Aye. We've done 123 miles so far. Well, up from my house.
Yeah, we shouldn't be far off 200 by the time we get here.
Yeah, good. Because then that'll put my bike on to 3,000 miles. Because it's on 2944 just now. Aye, I don't give a toss about the miles, Johnny. I'm happy to rack them up.
Yeah, me too. It doesn't bother me. Doesn't bother me.
Because I'll have this bike for a few years, hopefully.
I keep saying I'm going to change this, but I won't. I'll stick with this.
Aye.
I know I will. Oh, Ridley Road.
Why waste your money on a
Well,
bike?
I've done everything I need.
Aye.
I've done everything I need to do with this bike, and this bike will take me anywhere I want to go. So.
You can see the coast now. See the sea.
Yeah. It's leaving in front of us.
What a view, eh?
Yes.
I hope the camera picks it up.
Seeing the sun's out as well just makes it so much better.
Yeah. The sun always makes places look better when it's shining.
Yeah. Right, so when I get here I need to change my sat nav again. So stop for a wee 5 minutes, let me get off your bike.
Get a vape.
Anyway. We just need to think anyway until we get to meet proper. Turn left here.
Let me open my window again. Ah, here we go.
Good idea.
I think in this day and age, they'd have electric windows for your hat.
You know, your hat will go window open.
Aye. Hey Cardo, window open. Ah, what a cracking day.
It's lovely. It's been fine all day, it's not rained on us anyway.
No.
Right, we're taking a sharp left here.
And you like to be rained on, don't you?
Yeah, I'm at a discipline me, I dissolve if I get hit with the rain. It's a cracking house here, okay?
Aye, it's nice, eh?
Go ahead towards the seaside.
The seaside. Look, somebody's smoking hash.
Yeah, I fucking laughed out there as no one was going past.
The sad thing is, they think that's okay to smoke hash and drive.
It's definitely it's not.
I know.
You know what I mean? You lose your license the same as if you were drinking.
Yeah. It's absolutely honking. That you doing your chicken impression? Shows your chicken impression, John.
Well, I can do that one.
Aye. And here we are in Leven.
Yep. So, we need to head straight across Leven to get to the coast. Again, that gives you nice views for your channel.
Yeah.
Especially the coast on a sunny day like this, it'll be lovely. And normally we don't come back the coast road, we go up the coast road.
Yes, aye.
So we see it from a different angle. It's turning here to the left where Halfords is.
Oh, I hate Halfords.
Oh, we're just going to turn round, mate. Just get through the back here, turn round and come back out again. I'll just get us turn round. There you go. Watch, this is gravel, so be careful.
You stalled it? Did you stall?
No. No, I never stalled it. I'm just a bit wary of doing that. I didn't want to do that, it wouldn't come off. I'd visions it may come after. Just stop there.
I'll just stop up here. I want to stretch my legs and get a vape anyway.
Aye.
Oh, Halfords, I absolutely hate them.
I don't. I fucking get away with Halfords.
I don't. I've not been in any of their stores for 5 years.
You're the before with me.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't. I get them to do my service and that on the BMW. They're great.
Yeah.
They're a good job at it, like. Kind of one doing it. It used to be. No, it used to be tyres and exhausts.
Oh, National?
National.
Aye.
Doing it the one at Houston Industrial Estate.
Aye.
Kind of one that's in a wee bit at the back of Puckferson.
Aye, because they bought National tyres, right?
Aye.
Right. Change the battery.